Hi children, chapter 7 today we'll start, that is multiplication. You know children, in your class 2 you have to learn the tables up to 15. I will share you the one video to learn the table also in the rhyming way as we did already in class 1. So here also I have written the tables. You can write all these tables in the notebook. Table of 2 is here, 3, 4, 5 and here it is 6, 7. Without table you can't do the multiplication. Okay, so I will share the video for these tables even, and here you can write table 8, 9, 10, okay, 11, 12. Then I have one more page, you can pause it to write the tables. This is for 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I have given you up to 20, but up to 15 at least you have to learn very carefully, and in third class it will go up to this one, up to 20. So let's start your exercise in the book now. You can see the first, looking back. Okay, in the class 1 you have made the groups already. Now you see how many groups are there. Here are some pictures from our Republic Day celebration. Okay, there are 3 planes in one group, second group, third group, 4 groups. So you can write how many groups are there, 4. So how many planes in each? 3. Okay, same way next, if you see the next figures, that there are 4 birds in one group, 1, 2, 3, and 3 groups are there. Okay, we can write 3 groups and 4 in each group. Same way balloon one, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups are there. And how many are in one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in each. This way you can do the last part yourself. Now we'll go to the next phase. Addition, and they are showing the relation between addition and multiplication. If you see, there are 7 in on one bike, so 3 bikers are there. 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 21. It means 3 groups of 7 bikers is equal to 21 bikers. Okay, now downside they have given camels. There are 5 soldiers on one camel, so 2 camels are there. 5 plus 5 is 10, so 2 groups of 5 camels, each in dash camels. 10, 5 2s are 10. So same way you can do other 2 parts also yourself. 2, 3 parts are there on this page, so you have to count the groups and just you can do addition or multiplication. Now there is a page number 100, fill in the blanks they are showing. So fill in the blanks, the number of groups. You have to see the picture and see how many groups are there. You can see the groups are here. One group is here of 2, one group is here of 2, one group is here of 2. So there are 3 groups. Number of peacocks in each group, 2 are there, 1, 2. So you can write it as, in the addition form you can write it as 2 in one group plus 2 plus 2. So in multiplication you can write there are 3 groups of 2, so you can write 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. Now you can see these trees here downside. Number of groups are here 1, 2. Okay, so you can write number of groups are 2. Number of banyan trees in each group. Each group is 2. Repeated addition you can write 2 plus 2. So multiplication sentence, 2 groups of 2. 2 into 2. Number of trees in all, 2 2s are 4. Or you can count also 1, 2, 3, 4. Downside there are this one mango, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups are there. Okay, number of mangoes in each group is 2. So in addition, repeated addition, you can write 5 times 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And multiplication, 5 groups of 2 means 5 into 2. There are total 5 2s are 10. So same way you can do this last part. Question number 2, match the following. You have to make groups. Okay, this is one group, second group, third group of the dice. So 3 groups of 2 means 3 into 2. Here it is 1 of 2, 2, and next one is 3. So here you can't use multiplication because the here are 2, here are 2, here are 3. They are not same. So don't use multiplication. This becomes 2 plus 2 plus 3, and it is here somewhere you can see in the downside, second last, 2 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, now here 1 2 3 4 5 6 groups of 2 balloons means 6 into 2 here. So other parts you can match yourself. That is for you. Now let's go for the next, that is table of 2. You already know. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and all these you can fill. Table of 2. Now complete the table by writing the numbers up to 20. You have to write all the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Whatever numbers are coming downside, they are the skip number of 2. That is the table of 2 also. Okay, now the next they are saying, how many jumps of 2 will the rabbit make to reach the carrot? Carrot is here. You see, 1 jump, 2 jump, 3rd jump, 4th jump of 2, 5th jump of 2. So there are 5 jumps of 2. So 5 jumps of 2 means 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. Okay, so now downside, how many jumps of 2 to reach here? Okay, 216. 1 2 3 2 to 4, skip 1, 5 6 7, count in 2s, we reached at 16. So there are 8 jumps of 2. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. So this way you have to do this. Page number 101. Now we'll go to the next page. This is multiplying by 5. Multiplying by 5, you can see there are 1 2 3 4 groups of 5 petals are there. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 4 groups of 5 4s are 20. Now you can see here there are 4 flowers. Each flower has 5 petals. There are 20 petals in all. Now you can see this feet. There are 2 feet and each feet has 1 2 3 4 5 nails. So 2 into 5 is equal to 10. And how to write this side? There are 2 feet. Each foot has 5 toes. Total toes are 10. Same way there are stars. 6 stars are there, and there are 5 with the 6 5s are 30. So there are 6 stars. Each star has 5 points. So you can write there are 30 points in all. So same way you have to do the next 2 parts yourself. So now downside you can see here. They are saying number of groups. The first digit will give you the groups actually. If you see here, 3 groups. Okay, this is 4 groups. 3 here, 8 groups. And numbers in one group, first is 5, and here also 5. Here it is 6 groups, 5, 7 groups, 5, 9 groups, 5. Okay, now they are saying, so this way you can fill. Now they are saying just make also. See, they have made in first 3 groups of 5 5. Here you have to make 8 groups of 5 5. Okay, small circle you can draw. Here you have to make 6 groups of 5, like 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2 3 4, 2 more, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and if you count it is 6 5s are 30. So last 2 parts you have to do yourself. Now we'll go to the next page, number 103. In this page they have given you table of 5. You know the table of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 15, 20, so on. You can add 5 in every number, or if you know the table you can write this. And here skip counting. You have to write 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Whatever will come in the pink line, that is the table of 5. So you can fill these all columns. Now again they are saying the jumps. First they will jump for the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 jump of 5. 6 5s are 30. You will reach at 30. Here they are saying that how many jump up to this banana. Monkey will jump one time, second time, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 jumps of 5 will give you 8 5s are 30. Multiplication on the line. So 103 page is over. Now we'll go to page number 104. Now they are saying the table of 10 to U. 10 table is the easiest one. Two groups of 10, 10 twos are 20. Two groups of 10 bread slices, 2 tens are 20. So same way here you can do 6 groups are there. And 6 groups of 10 will give you 60. 6 group means 6 leaves in one group. 60. Here you can fill 10 table, 10, 20, 30, 40, so on. And downside also you can write the counting 1 to 100. Whatever will come in this pink line, 10, 20, 30, and here 20 is here, here it will be 30, and here it will become 40, here it will become 50, and their side it will become 60. Whatever is coming in pink line, that will give you the 10 table. And in addition, 0 plus 10, 10, 20, what will be here? 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10 tens are hundreds. So this way you can do this page for table 10. Now we'll go to the exercise 7a. Simple multiplication and addition relation is there in the beginning. So they are saying that 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 5 times 4 is 20, we all know. Okay, in a multiplication sense we can write it as like this: 5 4s are 20. Now this is 3 groups of 5. 5 plus 5 is 15. So this can be written as this side: 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Now see how many groups of 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 1 is means 7. And here we can write 7 into 1. 7 into 1 is 7. Now here 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. 3 times 3. 3 times 3 means 3 multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2 times 6. 2 into 6. 6 2s are 12. Okay. And here 10 times 2. 2 into 10. Okay. 10 2s are, you can write directly 20. Here 10 groups of 2. 10 into 2 is equal to 20. So this same way you can do downside also. Fill in the blanks, give the repeated addition. So 7 into 2 is 14. It means 7 times 2. So you have to write 2 how many times? 7 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 2. Okay, 14. Like this. So next is 4 into 4 is 16. This side 16. And here you have to write 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 16. So same way you can do other two parts. 2, 3 parts are left there. Now, okay, you can see and do. Now we will start next. Find the numbers of shapes, number of shapes in each row. Okay. Now you see in here 2 shapes in one row, 2 in second, 2 in third. So we can write it as 2 plus 2 plus 2. 6. Here it means 3 groups of 2. 3 2s are 6. Same way. Here are 6. Second row also 6. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Here also you can write 12. Same way you can do here. Count in the rows. There are 5, 5, 5, 5 plus 5 plus 5. 3 into 5, 15. Same way in the circle, last part you can do. So this way you can do page number 105. Now next is exercise 7b. It is like multiply by using table. 5 9s are 45. 5 5s are 25. 10 3s are 30. Okay. 8 2s are 16. 10 9s are 90. Here last part you can do yourself. Now next is, now they are saying what is 3 into 5. Actually 3 into 5, then match. Where is 3? 3 will be in the 3 5s are 15. Okay, match and multiply and match the points made by the arrows. Now the arrows are made. See, 3 arrows are here and 2 are here. Okay, so they are here also. 3 into 5 is there. So you have to see where you can match, just like it is matched already. 7 into 2, 7 arrows. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 into 2. Okay, 7 into 2 is here. 7 to the 14. 3 into 5, 5 arrow and 3 arrow, you can see this is 5, this line is for 5. 5 into 3, here it is 5 into 1 2 3 4 5. 5 into 5 is here, 5 into 5 25, and here 3 into 5. Okay, 3 with 5, 3 arrows with 5 in the last, you see in the last here 3 arrows in which column? 5. This circle, this is of 5, this one is of 10, this one is of 2. According to that you have to see. Just like this is 3 into 10, these are the 3 arrows and they reached up to 10, so this one is for this. Okay, and here 1 2 3 4 into 2, so 4 into 2 is here. Okay, so first one is 3 into 5, it's here 15, this is 8. So this way you can match this whole. You can see again. Now next is 7C. No, next case is 108. There are some word problems. The word problems are, solve the following word problems using the multiplication. Okay, there are 2 floats in a Republic Day parade with 5 children in each float. How many children in all? So you can do it in the book also, and in the notebook you have to write like this, word problems. So you can write it like this: children in 1 float is equal to 2, children in 2 floats, children in 1 float is equal to 5. Okay, 5 children. So children in 2 float is 5 to the 10. So second question is there are 10 rows of horses in the parade. Each row has 5 horses. Horses in 1 row 5, horses in 10 rows 5 into 10. 1 too many when we go, then we have to multiply. 10 5s are 50. Next there are 2 planes in 1 pair. You know, planes in 1 pair is 2. Pair means 2. And planes in 5 pair, 5 into 2 into 5. 5 2s are 10. So next is there are dancers in 1. Okay, dancers on 1 float are 10. How many dancers are there in 3 floats? So we can write dancers in 1 float is 10, dancers in 3 float 10 into 3. 1 too many when we go for, we have to multiply. 10 3s are 30. So this way you can do these questions in the notebook by using this statement. You can pause and write, and you can revise even in the book. There is space given. You can do here also this for the revision purpose. Now question number 2 is also the word problem, like the word problem. First part of question number 2 is Arun has put 3 stamps on 3 pages of his stamp album. Each page holds 10 stamps. How many stamps are there has Arun put into his album? So you can write the answer like a statement like this: stamps in 1 page or on 1 page is equal to, stamps on 1 page is equal to 10, stamps on 3 pages 10 into 3, again 10 into 3 is 30. Now next is teddies with 1 child is, there are 4 children, so 1 child has 5 teddies. So you can write teddies with 1 child is equal to 5, teddies with 4 children, 5 4s are 20. So same way, last part, toffees, this is of addition. Okay, so they were asking how many toffees they have, both these girls. So toffees with Jibika 4, toffees with Ankita 5. This is not of multiplication. Okay, total toffees in all 5, 4 plus 5 9. So where you have to add, where you have to subtract, where you have to multiply, you have to guess first. Okay, multiplication, when you have cost of 1 or stamp of 1 page is given, 1 too many when will you go, then you have to multiply. If you have left is asked, more is asked, less is asked, then you have to do subtraction. And if total is asked, in all is asked, then you have to do addition. So this way you can do this exercise. Now we will go to the last part of the book, that is chapter checkup. In chapter checkup we will this all is question number 1 2 3 are simple addition, multiplication. You know 7 table you have to read up to 14. 7 2s are 14. First part you can do yourself. 4 table up to 24. 5s are 20. Now we will discuss these questions, word problems in this chapter checkup. 6 students of class 2 are coloring little triangle strips for Independence Day decoration. Each child has colored one orange strip and one green strip. So one orange, one strip means each child is coloring 2 strips. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2. So how many 6 will they will do? 6 2s are 12. So how to write in the form of statement in your notebook? You can write like this. Chapter checkup, question number 6a part. Strips colored by one student is equal to 2. Strips colored by 6 students, 6 2s are 12. Okay, next is pupil on one B part. Pupil on one float is 10. Pupil on 3 floats is equal to 10 into 3, 30. This type of question we did already also. So this way you can complete your chapter checkup. You can pause it and you can complete it. Now this is all about your chapter. There is one activity on page number 112. You can try yourself that activity. So this is all about your chapter number 7, multiplication. I suggest you to again to do 5 questions for make your questions yourself for 1 week. 5 questions today, 5 tomorrow, any type of the questions you can make yourself. If you do 5 questions daily for 1 week, it will become 5 7s are 35 questions. If you do, then your multiplication is good enough. Okay, thank you.